Hi guys, I wanted to give y'all a quick overview of the schedule and everything that I'm looking for this final document. You can find the directions for the schedule under the Getting Started module, and then you'll see individual assignment schedule. Keep in mind, I have mentioned before that you are welcome to work together to complete the schedule, but you will all need to submit your own final schedule for the individual Dropbox. This is where you will be combining all the work you have completed as a group into a timeline for your project. All students will submit a complete schedule for an individual name. You will need a firm understanding of the group assignments in order to successfully complete your individual assignment. You can see here the schedule is worth 80 points and the grammar and formatting are worth 20 points. This should be done in a calendar format with real dates. You will include all work breakdown structure tasks, as well as who is responsible for each task, as well as all of your communication items. This should span the entire life cycle of the project. Pre-implementation, remember our phases, our pre-implementation or planning phase, our implementation, and our post-implementation. The phases of the project should be clearly identified on the schedule. I'm going to pull up the grammar and formatting. You can see this is the overall professionalism of the document, how neat and organized, how clear it is to read, professional writing. It should not be sloppy. I'm going to pull up a calendar that I have had in previous classes. This was done by a group of students. This was a completely different program than the Great American Smokeout, but you can see here this is the schedule of events, and they had all of their schedule of events over here with a little bit more information, their work breakdown structure items, as well as the communication items on here. One thing you can see through this, you can see that the meeting with staff and project manager for program about opioid addiction. So you can see this is throughout the actual calendar, the lifespan of the project, and they have detailed organization on each side. This is very organized and it was very easy to read. So think through that as you are creating your schedules, and let me know if, of course, if you have any questions. I am hosting a office hours tomorrow, so please feel free to hop on the call. You are more than welcome to ask me any questions or send me an email if you have questions outside of my office hours. Have a wonderful day, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks.